I'm trying not to drink alcohol. May I have some? Thank you.
I want it on it, so.
That's actually good. Wow. Cheers. A little bit, but I mean, it's not bad. It's good.
Move this around a little bit, and you can start doing some of the seasoning and then add it when it's done.
Why don't you pull those out for?
The seasoning?
Pull the seasonings out for me.
Okay.
Which ones do we want to use?
Well, you want to use this extra spicy, and you want to use Arizona Dreaming and Italian. I'm going to use some black pepper. Smell this.
That smells good. That smells really good.
Okay, and okay, so you can tell by the sizzle that we're probably getting pretty close to getting our onions sauteed the way we want them to with the bowl. I use, because of the salt thing, I use this too.
What's it called?
Chicken fajita seasoning.
Ooh.
Smell that.
That smells like, let me
Doesn't
think.
that smell great?
It smells really like a mix between garlic and,
Yeah, it's great. Okay.
what else?
And
It's
then
good.
you can, there are other things I'm going to show you for the sauce once we get the chicken in here. Now, you've already got this chicken almost completely cooked, it looks like.
It looks like it. It's still pink in the middle, I bet, but.
No, look here. See, so you take your little plastic thing here and you chop up some of the big pieces, and guess what? It's not pink on the inside.
Wow. You want to
So
cook
you
it a little more?
What?
Should we cook it a little more?
Well, I'm going to. I'm going to cook it here.
Because we want to mix the taste of it, right?
Okay, so
Hopefully it's not.
now we are eventually, because of the pasta, going to put all of it back in there, but because we're going to need more room for the pasta. Okay, now let's see here. We need to do that. We get that other stuff out here.
I'm gonna get some more of that. Wait, what's it called? It's not margarita mix, is it?
Yeah, it's a margarita mix.
Okay, well, yeah, it's already done.
I like bourbon. Doesn't have to be that, but I like that one. And the thing is, it tricks you. You think you're getting a lot more, you're not getting really that much because it's all the sugar is taken out.
Huh. What does that mean?
It means it's going to taste different. Well, it's going to be thicker.
We're probably going to need to start the pasta pretty soon because it takes 12 to 14 minutes.
You need a pasta.
How big?
That's
This
good.
one?
No, that's good because you're in the grits. And you look for the bow tie pasta.
Okay.
Pantry, upper right hand corner, blue box.
Yep. How many do we want?
Well, we don't need more than one full box, but if there's a half a box, we might need another. Is it? Oh, it's a full box. It's okay. Okay. Next, I'm reading the directions. It says bring 4 quarts of water to a boiling boil for each pound of pasta. There is a pound of pasta in here.
Should we just fill it up and eye it, or do we have to?
Should we do that?
Should we eye it? Or do we have a measurement cup?
I don't think we have a measurement cup in there. So, yes, I would suggest, oh, you know what you have now?
Are these, do you not give the conversion?
That's chicken.
Those are cups.
That is 32 ounces. Is that right? A quart is 32 ounces?
Let me think.
5 is 16. I think that's gonna be too much, but let's.
It says 4 quarts, so.
I know, it's just, you just really need to be able to cover the pasta.
I think there's 4 pints in 1 quart.
No,
2 pints?
2 pints in a quart.
And if a pint is 16, that
This
should
is
be.
this is a pint. And you're talking about 8 of those, that's too many.
Yeah, definitely.
But you can tell, as long as you've got enough water to cover your pasta and just a little bit more. Alright, so now let's turn this down a little bit because we don't have the sauce in there to
I forgot, this isn't gonna burn though, right? It's like the non-burn.
Yeah, it's not